I saw what you did, Leo. I have it all right here. Why would you do that? You're in so much trouble. You really thought you could get away with that, didn't you, Leo? It was a pathetic attempt. Absolutely pathetic. No, Mia, please, don't do it! Just one more second. This is too funny. I'm gonna be so mad. Oops, sent. I can't believe you. Mia, can you please help me with just one thing? Ugh, fine. What do you need? Olivia, what did you do? I didn't do it. Don't lie, I saw you. I can't believe this. What's wrong? I can't believe you did this. Look at the screen. I don't know what you're talking about. Don't lie to me, Leo. I have the proof right here. No. I said, did you hear me? Please, I'm sorry. Sorry won't fix this mess. I didn't mean to. Enough. Just look at the disaster you've caused. Look at him. He knows something. Olivia, what are you talking about? Leo?
He's the only one left. He holds the key. Ask him.
Leo, do you know anything?
You ruined everything.
But I can fix it. Just give me a chance. You said that last time, Ethan. Look at this mess. I have to do this.
Give it back.
I can't. I'm sorry.
No.
Please. He's gone.
You shouldn't have been carrying this, Leo.
Please, Mr. Ethan. It's all I have left.
I told you not to do it! You messed up everything! You ruined me! Please, Ethan, you can't do this!
Give it back, Leo. Now. Finally. It's done.
Everything is gone! What does that mean, Ethan? You think you can challenge me? You've lost everything, kid!
Sniffles, I didn't mean to.
Just disappear!
Get out! Take him and go!
Olivia, please!
No!
I'm sorry, Leo. We have to go. Get out! I can't look at you! Just go!
But, Ethan... Leave me alone! I said get out! I wish someone would find me. It's so cold here.
You always do this.
Just leave it alone, Ethan.
We need to talk about this. Leo is right here.
I was hungry for love. Why doesn't anyone notice me?
Every night, I slept in the cold.
Why am I not enough? No more cold rice!
No more cold rain.
Leo, there you are. Get in, kid.
Come on, we've been waiting for you. You shouldn't be out here in this. Thank you. Come in, son.
Hello, Leo. I'm Arthur, the president of the World Bank. Please come in. I have seen many thieves, Leo. But in your eyes, I see a unique strength. You are different.
You do?
Come with me. I will teach you the truth.
Okay.
I've been waiting for this moment. 10 years of silence has led to now. "10 years of truth." You wanted to see me, Leo? Come in. I've analyzed the report. There seems to be an issue. The Smith family is here, having lost everything, sir. They are begging for a job. Bring them in. Let them in. And record everything. The world needs to see the truth. Say it again. I don't know what you mean. Please. Say it again. I didn't do anything. Say it again. Call him a loser. Turn around and look at me. Leo? No, this can't be happening.
Leo?
You are the CO?
It cannot be. You were a beggar. I am exactly who I was meant to be, Olivia.
No phones. No screens. Sit down.
I will. I promise.
I know you will.
Look at this city, Leo. The future is yours to shape.
We'll be here with you every step of the way.
You changed them, Leo.
I know.
I didn't change them. I just turned off their screens.
Yeah.
I know the path ahead isn't easy, but together we can achieve anything.
That's right.
We believe in you. To every parent watching, my gaze is intense and full of empathy. Put down the screen. Pick up your child. No more cold rice. No more cold rain. No more hardship. No more neglect. And no more digital lies. Because from today, no child should ever be invisible again. Would you forgive them after what they did?
Samamichan.
Vote have...
Or would you leave them forever?
The time has come to decide. Will you ever forgive, or is it never? Hit that like button if you stand for truth. Because from today, no child should ever be invisible again. Would you forgive them after what they did?
Samamichan.
Vote have...
Or would you leave them forever?
The time has come to decide. Will you ever forgive, or is it never? Hit that like button if you stand for truth.